Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures. So in today's vlog I'll show you all shopping at Borivali and Kandivali and especially Mira Road, because at Mira Road I didn't cover much of my video. So yeah, I was heading towards Mira Road and एक तो मतलब ट्रेन वाली मतलब सेल्फी वीडियो तो बनती है. And after a very long time, I was going towards Mira Road and then I alighted from the train. See, Mumbai में now once you know to adjust yourself with all this गचड़ी, अभी देख कोई तो धक्का मार के जाएगा, ये देख मार के गया, तभी you should know that okay, once you adjust with all this nonsense now, then you can do anything in life. मतलब तुम चांद पे भी जा सकते हो. And I was surprised looking at all this ये जो स्काई वॉक पे जो अपन चल के जाते हैं, मतलब पूरा मतलब यही है. ये वाला 50-50 वाला सेल चालू था. And the scenario, when you get to see something very different, like what Mira Road station was and what it has become, oh my god. And I had gone to Mira Road to meet some of my very special people, and we all had a very good time together, my friends and some. So yeah, after that then we all parted our ways, and then I came towards this Borivali. So अभी ये बोरीवली स्टेशन पे I came because I had to get off and I had to go to the west side. And now this is the exit of the Borivali station, and you can see all flowers and lights and music and everything over here because it's Diwali time and all are into the celebration mode. And here these are those hanging wall पे या दरवाजे पे वो जो लटकन जैसे लगाते हैं ना, और तोरण स्टाइल, एंड वो अभी दिवाली के डेकोरेशन के लिए. So finally I reached at the Indra Prasad shopping center. I don't know why, but always I keep on saying supermarket. It's a shopping center where you get all these electronic gadgets and you get even imitation jewelry and clothing and everything. But that is on the first and second. I don't know if there's third floor, but for second पे तो वही है. And then there is underground. So whatever mobile sales and all are done on top. And here, अभी यहाँ underground when you go the basement में, तो यहाँ पे they have all the repairs and even the mobile sales also. But repairs is always done here. यहाँ पे underground. So यहाँ basement में I went. I got a nice deal and I gave my mobile for screen replacement. It is my other Samsung वाला mobile. तो मैंने मेरे Apple Watch के लिए I put this screen guard. And then अभी तो नया trend भी आया है, orange is my favorite color also. So yeah, I put a new strap. ये मतलब this strap is of magnetic strap है, तो मैंने ये भी खरीद लिया. And I got it for a good deal, 450 कुछ बोला, तो I purchased it for 200 something. And then now I was exiting from the basement because I had to go towards Kandivali. Kandivali तो I especially wanted to. And now just the lights, awesome right? मतलब वो फेस्टिवल वाली फील और मूड भी आ गई थी कि दिवाली आ रही है. And then हाँ मेरे कपड़े भी चेंज हो गए उसी में. And then I was going towards so if you'll see at the barricade poles, even they are dancing on the music. So now while going to Kandivali, it started raining all of a sudden. So then I had to put the blinds down of the rickshaw. और अच्छा भी लग रहा था, मतलब हाई मतलब कोई एक सीन तो मिल गया मतलब शूट करने के लिए. And I was going to buy some some glass cutlery way, and मतलब वो थकेला भी मतलब एड्रेस भेज रहा था, लाइव लोकेशन भेज रहा था, क्या भेज रहा था पता नहीं. And then finally I reached to the outlet where I wanted to be. So I had dropped in at this store to buy some of this cook and serve dishes, and they had some other lovely there's glassware and many other mugs, jugs, coffee mugs as well, and many different shapes and sizes, and really very lovely ones. But I had come to purchase this cook and serve dishes. So I had purchased this two. One was a bit smaller one and a bit larger one. So very soon in my any new vlog you might see me cooking in some of these dishes. And then while coming on the way I saw the Sky City Mall. This is one of the largest and the biggest mall right now in Mumbai. So I didn't get time to enter in it because I had a lot of things in my hand. So that's in my today's vlog. So till then do like and subscribe to my channel, that is Mystical Ventures. Thank you.